Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. As I mentioned last week, I am thrilled to announce that my couples massage course is again available online. It is a unique way to relax, unwind, and connect with your partner right in the comfort of your own home. Imagine transforming your living space into a sanctuary where your stress melts away, muscles are soothed, and you and your partner grow closer through the power of caring touch. Learning the art of massage together isn't just about the relaxation. It's about connection, communication, and healing. In today's fast-paced world, finding quality time together can be challenging. And even when we do have those precious moments, stress and tension from our busy lives often stand in the way of fully enjoying them. But imagine if, instead of just unwinding at the end of the day, you could truly release each other's stress, soothe muscle tension, and deepen your relationship in the process. So why learn couples massage? First of all, there's the physical relaxation that massage provides. When you learn these techniques, you're giving each other the power to relieve muscle tightness and pain, which we all experience. Whether from sitting at a desk all day, working out, or simply carrying the weight of the daily responsibilities, muscle tension builds up and it needs to be released. Massage increases blood flow, relaxes tight muscles, and helps your body recover. It's like pressing a reset button for your body. And because you're the ones doing it, you can target the area you know your partner needs most. You'll be learning techniques to help release tension from the common problem areas such as neck, back, shoulders, and even hands and feet. But beyond the physical, there's powerful emotional and relational benefits that comes with couples massage. In a world where we're all more connected through screens than through touch, couples massage brings the focus back to the fundamental way of connecting through human touch. Touch has an amazing way of bringing down the stress levels and releasing oxytocin, also known as love hormone or bonding hormones, which promotes the feeling of closeness, trust, and comfort. This means that every time you give your partner a massage, you're not just releasing their physical stress, but you're helping both of you feel more connected. Imagine what it could be like to have this experience available anytime right at home. No need for expensive spa trips, scheduling conflicts, or to worry about a complete stranger touching you. You'll have these skills for life, and whenever you want a little more connection, relaxation, or reset, you'll know exactly how to create that experience together. In this course, I will guide you through easy-to-follow techniques that doesn't require any special equipment. All you need is open mind and curiosity to learn. You'll be surprised at how quickly you'll pick up each technique and how intuitive they can feel. It is kids and family safe because these techniques can be done over the clothes. Touch is one of the most powerful ways to deepen emotional bonds. When you touch your partner intentionally with genuine care and attention, it communicates so much without a single word. Through your touch, you're saying, I care about you, I am here for you, and I'm fully present in this moment with you. And when you receive that, it can be deeply calming and affirming. It's a chance to slow down and fully focus on each other. Now you may be wondering, is this course right for us? Well, this course is for anyone in a committed relationship who wants to enhance their connection, improve their ability to relax together, and share a new skill that brings genuine benefits. You don't need any prior experience. I designed this course to be accessible for everyone, whether you're completely new to massage or you've tried few techniques before. It's perfect for couples of all ages, whether you're newlyweds or partners who's been together for years and want to add a new dimension to their relationship. This course can also be ideal for parents who might be juggling the stresses of family life and are looking for simple, meaningful ways to reconnect without having to leave the house. If you feel you're lacking physical connections with your partner in your daily lives, this course is perfect for you. If you're looking for a unique gift for things like birthday, anniversary, or Christmas, this is truly a gift that keeps on giving. So if you're ready to create a sanctuary of relaxation and connection for just the two of you, this course is for you. You'll learn the skills to not only ease each other's stress, but to strengthen your bond one touch at a time. Currently, I'm running a special until I update the existing course and add more courses. You can go to the link below for the current offer. Thank you for considering this beautiful journey with me, and discover how simple, thoughtful touch can make a profound difference in your daily lives together. Thanks for watching. Make it a great week.